Guys, before I show you these best Marvel Contest of Champions codes, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get into the tutorial. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video to show you the best Marvel Contest of Champions codes working in 2025. I spent a long time searching, guys, and I've managed to find some Marvel Contest of Champion promo codes that you can use right now, and is going to supply you with tons of free crystals. You can unlock all champions, you can get free units and more, guys. So I'm going to show you quickly how to go ahead and do this. It is super simple, and let's get into the tutorial. So you need to use your mobile phone. It doesn't matter which mobile phone you have, you need of course an internet connection. My battery's super low, so I'm going to have to charge it after this video, but you need to go to this website. Go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this into your internet browser. There's the low power mode. So cold coupons, guys. And this website is awesome. I've actually used them for other games, and I did notice they had a Marvel Contest of Champions page. So if you go to that search bar at the top of the screen here and search for Marvel Contest of Champions, it should pop up, guys. And as you can see, there's currently 4 different codes available. So there's 4 promo codes that you can use right now. Scroll down and you can get free crystals, so 10,000 free crystals in Marvel Contest of Champions. You can unlock all characters. You can get 10,000 free units and 1,000 free points. So you just need to select which promo code for Marvel Contest of Champions you wish to receive. I'm going to go ahead and choose the free crystals one. When you select it, this basically just confirms your choice. This is a verified code, highly rated, and is being used, so it is working as of today. Click on show full code. This is going to look for a valid code for you to use. Now it says here your coupon code is ready. The code will be revealed in the box below after verification. Now, essentially, guys, because these are super desirable codes, considering the cost of crystals, and you can see they are limited codes, guys. There's tons of them, but they are limited. So it does limit 1 code per person. So you essentially need to unlock your personal code. To do that, you click on that button and you need to follow these instructions. Long story short, guys, you have to just complete a couple of these free tasks. These are usually applications and surveys, and it will unlock your code from cold coupons. So you need to basically complete 2 of these free tasks. They're going to be slightly different depending on your country, and also they do just vary throughout the day. And there is a description. They're all pretty easy, guys. These are like mobile applications and surveys. Just follow the instructions that it tells you how to complete them, and if you do everything correctly, fully complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to cold coupons, and your Marvel Contest of Champions code will be unlocked in this box here. This will say unlocked, and you can go ahead and redeem it in game, and it's going to in this case supply you with 10,000 free crystals. They also have a few other promo codes that you can use as well. So just head on over to Cold Coupons and yeah, go ahead, choose your code, guys. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace.